COVID-19 rates in Sacramento County are 8 times higher than they were in early April. And according to the CDC, transmission in our community is high. Still, on this lovely holiday Monday, we did not see many testing sites open, and the ones that were, not so busy.
In this area in North Highlands, there's not that many testing spots available. So I think there's a good amount of our community members who rely on us. So even though it's a holiday, we still wanted to be here for them today.
The director of the Liberty Towers Church testing site says within an hour and a half of closing today, they had tested about 84 people compared to 130 last Monday.
For today, mostly we've been just seeing a lot of families who are ill, symptomatic, and also we get a good amount of people who are looking for taking flights.
Cases have risen sharply across the country and right here locally, but officials think the number actually could be a lot higher because of this take-home test. Now, people are encouraged to report these results, but officials recognize many people likely do not.
While convenience for many, the availability of those tests was the beginning of the end of accurate COVID-19 data, according to UC Davis professor and epidemiologist Dr. Brad Pollock.
We are seeing signs, though, of increased transmission, and it's probably even worse than we're seeing because of that underreporting.
Dr. Pollock says repeat infection appears to be a factor as well.
Those that had an initial Omicron infection do seem to be able to get reinfected with these new subvariants.
And while many health authorities have said Omicron and its variants appear to lead to less severe disease, Dr. Pollock warns against writing it off.
The maximum number of deaths we've had has been with Omicron, mainly because it is so easily transmitted. There are so many people that were infected that you're just seeing a lot of numbers there.
He says, though, prevention measures should be familiar at this point. Distancing, vaccinations, and masking.
The minute you start getting that close space in where people are right next to you, or you're indoors where any sort of virus that's in the air is going to easily be picked up by others, I think we have to be very careful about that.
In Sacramento, Karma Dickerson, Fox 40 News.